Back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a detox drink that you can drink for 3 days. This drink is so effective to cleanse the liver, speed up the metabolism so that you can burn fat. So stay tuned. For this cleansing drink, I'll be making use of 5 sticks of celery, which I've already washed properly, so I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces for easy blending. I'll be making use of ginger, which I've already peeled. Ginger will help to eliminate intestinal gas and calm the digestive system. I'll be making use of 1 lemon. I'll be making use of parsley, which I've already washed, so I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. Parsley is so good for this drink because it will help to detoxify the body. It will help to stimulate weight loss, cleanse the body, and remove any toxin from our body. I'll also grate the ginger. You can choose to cut the ginger into smaller pieces. Ginger is also good for this drink. It has anti-bloating effect to help to suppress appetite, speed up digestion. So I'm going to cut the lemon into 2, then I'm going to squeeze to get the lemon juice. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is perfect for strengthening the immune system and the collagen. It will also help to flush out toxin from the body, and also it has the ability to melt fat. So when I'm done squeezing the lemon, I will set aside. I'm going to pour the lemon juice into the blender. I will add the cut celery, add the parsley, the grated ginger, I'll be adding 2 cups of water because I'll be drinking this drink 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Then when I'm done, I will cover the blender and blend until it's smooth. On blending, I will use a sieve to sieve to get the juice. This cleansing juice is so effective for detoxifying and for cleansing the liver so that you can digest your food properly, burn fat, and also to help to speed up your metabolism. And the addition of celery in this drink will help our body to get rid of any toxin from the body, to stimulate weight loss, help our body to absorb nutrients, and aid digestion. You need to drink this at least 2 cups a day on empty stomach, 1 in the morning before meal and 1 cup as a last drink in the night. You can take this at least 3 days. After 3 days, you give yourself a break, then you can repeat. This video is helpful. Thank you all for watching. In the comatose, baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes, baby going down.